Let's talk about representing and interpreting decimal relationships related to place value. What is the value of the digit 7 in the number 4 and 97 hundredths? To find the answer to this question, we place the number into a place value chart. The 4 is in the ones place, the 9 is in the tenths place, the 7 is in the hundredths place. Now that we've placed the digits into the proper place on the place value chart, we know that the digit 7 in the number 4 and 97 hundredths is 7 hundredths. How is the value of the tenths place related to the value of the hundredths place? We know that moving to the right on the place value chart is times 1/10, and moving to the left is times 10. So the tenths place is one place value to the left of the hundredths place. Therefore, the tenths place is 10 times the hundredths place. How can the number 2 and 13 hundredths be represented in expanded notation? In a place value chart, the 2 is in the ones place, the 1 is in the tenths place, and the 3 is in the hundredths place. To write an expanded notation, you will use this pattern. The first digit times the place value of that digit, plus the next digit times the place value of the second digit, plus the third digit times the place value of the third digit. And the pattern continues until the numeral is completed. Now that we know the pattern, we can then place the information into the pattern to create our expanded notation. So in the first parentheses, we have 2 times 1. In the second parentheses, we have 1 times 1/10. And in the third parentheses, we have 3 times 1/100th. So our expanded notation of 2 and 13 hundredths is 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1/10 plus 3 times 1/100th. What number is equal to 5 times 10 plus 3 times 1 plus 3 times 1/10 plus 7 times 1/100th? First, we place the number in the place value chart. The 5 is in the tens place, the 3 is in the ones place, the next 3 is in the tenths place, and the 7 is in the hundredths place. Now that our number is in the place value chart, we can easily write the standard form of the numeral, which is 53 and 37 hundredths. How can 469 and 83 hundredths be represented in written form? First, we place the number in the place value chart. The 4 is in the hundreds place, the 6 is in the tens place, the 9 is in the ones place, the 8 is in the tenths place, and the 3 is in the hundredths place. Now that we have them written into the place value chart, we can write them in written form, which is 469 and 83 hundredths.